probably the easiest and the simplest is by Jeffrey Hodson. The Kingdom of the Gods is his best book, and from the Theosophical Society, and they have other sort of information from Devas on the simple thing. And this Kingdom of Gods is mainly a clairvoyant investigations with some great photos of the way they actually look. If you want much more scientific information and far vaster and more correct in terms of description of the way they work, then you go to Alice Bailey, specifically a treatise on cosmic fire. And there's hundreds of pages of an explanation of the more detailed aspects of the Devas esoteric science. And then my writings, there's some information scattered throughout, and we have pictures on our website, some of the artwork I did when I was younger and others by Angie O'Sullivan, that gives you more direct information of how they look and work. So the colours, the shapes they take, and also one other aspect of Devas is that there is a dragon kingdom as well that relates to the first ray, to the Kundalini fire that evolves into dragons, and the pictures of dragons are also part of this whole, and so dragon lore, mythology. And when you go into myths, ancient myths, then often they're talking about nature's forces, forms of Devas, and of course in religious art, religious symbolism. But so our website has got information there on Devas, an earlier talk I gave on it, and the pictures. The Kingdom of the Gods is the best, by Jeffrey Hodson is the best, that has not presented distorted images, but the actual way they look. And of course, when you get the general pictures from fairy tales, and the people that have written books on myths and fairy tales, then you get more and more distorted. Except for the tiny little fairies, it becomes more and more just girls with butterfly wings on them, and that's not the way Devas look. So you have to be careful. So on the whole, there's not an awful lot that is genuine. The other series of books were the fin-horned people, their books. So you can go and find that source as well.